Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here again another video review for the IWO Watch 7 or just IWO 7. It is one of the latest wearable in the Series 7 clone smartwatches. Okay, so we're done with installing the support app for the Android platform. This time we're going to install the support app in the iOS platform or in our iPhone. So let's check it out. Let's try to install and see whether we can install the support app properly with a smartwatch. So let's check. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, beautiful design, premium looking. Okay, beautiful device here. Okay, flat surface here. It is said that it is a copy, okay, of the upcoming Series 7 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Again, we have here the user manual. Okay, for those of you who haven't watched the previous video, we have here the QR code for the smartwatch. So it is using the, you read it, WearFit Pro support app. Okay, so let's search. Okay, let's look it on the App Store. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have here, then search. Again, do you remember the name of the app? WearFit Pro. Let's check if we already installed this in our smartphone or not. Okay, we uninstalled it, although we already installed it before. So we're going to install it again. Okay, so get. Okay, so while we are waiting for the installation of the support app, okay, let's wait. Okay, so let's check again the smartwatch. The latest update, okay, as you can see here, we have a bubble menu. Before it was a semi-circular menu. This time it was changed to bubble menu. Okay, I think no changes on the watch faces so far, but we have several downloadable watch faces available in the support app. I don't know if there's a difference in the service of watch faces, downloadable watch faces in iOS and Android. So let's see. Okay, seems like we already activated here. We successfully downloaded. Let's open it. Okay, WearFit Pro. Again, this is in the Android platform or iOS platform, I mean. So it is asking for the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so only while using the app. For the option here, always allow and don't allow, only while using this app. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so let's keep. Okay, let's direct log in here. So it is asking for registration. Okay, I think in the Android platform we were able to skip this one. Okay, let's see. Registration. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, get code. So it is really, I think in the Android platform we are able to skip this. Here in the iOS seems like it's hard. Okay, there are some steps, so let's wait and let's check. Okay, continuing with our connectivity with the smartwatch and the support app, there are some added security for this one. You need to add, to be able to sign up or register, you need your email, verified email, and a registration code, I think, verification code for the support app. Okay, so There is no skip for this one. Unlike with the Android platform, seems like we were able to skip. You can also sign up with your Gmail account directly. Okay, so we have here the UI of the WearFit Pro. So we successfully loaded the support app here. Okay, so to be able to connect our smartwatch to the support app, we have to allow permissions, okay, here in the app. So for example, this one, WearFit Pro, would like to access your motion, okay, and fitness activity. Just click OK. So here, okay, on the bottom part, we have devices. So click to add device. So it is searching. Okay, the Bluetooth I think is already activated here. We'll see. Okay, please turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so let's turn it on again. I forgot. Okay, so we activated already. So it is searching. So here, okay, it found the smartwatch, the IWO 7. So tap on it. Okay, let's have a focus. Okay, let's add additional brightness here. IWO 7, tap. So it is searching for the device. Do not operate mobile phones or watches. Bluetooth pairing request. IWO 7 would like to pair your iPhone. Pairing. So let's see if we'll have a successful pairing. Okay, we already done with it in the Android platform, and we successfully connected our smartwatch to the support app. And here we have a successful pairing. Okay, after the pairing is successful, your sports health and other data information will be synchronized between the watch and a mobile phone through the app. Carry out. Okay, so here we have successfully loaded. So let's check. Okay, so what are the features here? Business card, weather reports, alarm, so similar to the Android platform. Let's check if we, okay, so successfully connected. Firmware update we have, currently has the latest version. Okay, for the watch faces here, in the Android platform, if you notice in our first video, most of the watch faces there, more than 50% or 80%, I think is for sale. Or there's a price. You have to buy it if you want to download it. There are some free, but most do have a price. Okay, so here, similar also to the Android platform, it's 0.99. Okay, in the Android platform, it is $1. Okay, but we also have here a free one. Okay, customization, custom watch faces, but mostly here, especially those beautiful watch faces here. Okay, for example, here in the business, we have at least how many free? We only have 5 free watch faces. Here, the color different, beautiful watch faces. We also have 5. Most watch faces are for sale. Okay, to be able to download, you have to pay the amount, 0.99 cents, or shall we say $1. Okay, so we have a lot of features here, options, other settings, 12-hour rest to wake. Okay, for the sports feature here. Okay, steps, sleep, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen, body weight, sports record, fatigue, and other health warning services. Okay, you also have connected GPS here. Okay, so far similar situation with the Android platform. Easy to connect, easy to synchronize, very stable. And we have a lot of options here. The disappointing part of the support app is the watch faces. 80, more than 80%, I think, more, okay, are available only in when you pay as the price of the watch faces. It's not free. Okay, so let's check new ranking, watch faces, me, watch face downloaded, watch face purchase, so cartoon. So you have to have a very stable internet connectivity to be able to download some of the watch faces here. Okay, color data ranking new. Let's see, we have the details on the new. Let's wait. So we have at least 3 free downloadable watch faces here. Okay, so that's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have at least 7 downloadable watch faces here. So let's try. Okay, download Odyssey. This one is free. During the installation process, please do not leave this interface. Do not operate mobile phones and watches to ensure successful installation. 221 kilobyte. We have 4,325 people already installed the watch face here, so it's free. So download. So let's see. Okay, so here as you can see, it is installing the watch face here. Okay, we have a progress bar here. Install 17, 19%, 20. I think based on our experience with the Android platform, it takes at least less than a minute to install the watch face. Okay, so it is fast, but still it depends on your internet connectivity. We are on the 45%. Make it sure that your smartwatch do have a full recharge, so full charge. Okay, more than 80% to be safe. Okay, 60%, 65, 67, 70. Hopefully we will have a successful connectivity or downloading of the watch faces to the smartwatch. 85, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully installed our downloaded watch faces. Okay, so that's it for your iOS 7. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Goodbye.